Welcome to the English is Easy series. Today, I will be teaching you two words that have the same sound but different meanings. Are you ready? 1. Right. Turn right at the light. Or you can say, yes, that's right, as in that's correct. 2. Right. Don't forget to write your mother. Or you can say, write an email. There is also a third word with the same sound, right, but it is not used as often. Rite means a religious or ceremonial act. Can you say it? If you like this video and want to see more, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.